Chapter 7 Coordinate Geometry Formula. Distance formula. Distance formula. Let A is equal to x1 y1, B is equal to x2 y2. By distance formula, AB can be write it as x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Question number first, we have given find the distance between the following pair of points A. First part, question first part given 2, 3 and 4, 1. Let A is equal to 2, 3 and B is equal to 4, 1 and its x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2. x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 3, x2 equal to 4 and y2 is equal to 1. By distance formula, AB is equal to x2 minus x1 raised to power 2 plus y2 minus y1 raised to power 2, and putting the value of x2 4 here, x1 3 here, we get AB is equal to x2 is 4 minus x1 is equal to 2 raised to power 2 plus y2 is 1 minus y1 is 3 raised to power 2. AB is equal to 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2 square, plus 3 minus 1, that is minus 2 square. This implies AB is equal to under root of 2 square, that is 2 2s are 4, plus minus 2 square, 2 2s are 4. So AB is equal to under root of 8, and 8 can be write 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. This implies 8 can be write 2 into 2 into 2, or in bracket pair of 2, 1 times 2 is common. AB is equal to 2 under root 2 units answer. Given we have given 2 minus 2 3 4 1. Let A is equal to 2 3, B is equal to 4 1 and x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 3, x2 is equal to 4, y2 is equal to 1. So by distance formula, AB is equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, and putting the value x2 and x1, y2 and y1 in AB, we get 4 AB is equal to 4 minus 2 square plus 1 minus 3 square. 2 square plus minus 2 square. 2 square is 4 plus 4, that is 8. And factorize 8. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 is taking common in root, but we get AB is equal to 2 root 2 units. Answer. Question first, second part. Given minus 5, 7, minus 1 and 3. A is equal to minus 5, 7 and B is equal to minus 1, 3. That is equal to x1, y1 and x2, y2. By distance formula, AB is equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. AB is equal to x2 is here minus 1 minus minus plus 5 square plus y2 is 3 minus y1 is 7 square. So AB is equal to 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4 square plus 7 minus 3, that is minus 4 square. This implies AB is equal to under root of 4 square is 16 plus minus 4 square is also 16. Minus square gives positive value. 16 plus 16 is equal to 32. AB is equal to under root of 32. We factorize 32. 2 16s are 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are. Prime factorization of 32 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32. And we are taking a pair. AB is equal to, we are taking common 2, 2 into 2 under root 2. This implies AB is equal to 2 2s are 4 under root of 2 units. Answer. Given minus 5, 7, minus 1, 3, let A is equal to minus 5, 7 and B is equal to minus 1, 3. That is equal to x1, y1, x2, y2. So using by distance formula, AB is equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. x2 is minus 1 and x1 is minus 5. x2 is minus 1 and formula minus minus plus 5 square. 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4 square plus 3 minus 7 square. 7 minus 3 is also minus 4. Minus 4 square is positive 16. 4 square is 16 and 16 plus 16, that is equal to 32. And prime factorization of 32 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 times 2. But we are taking pair of 2 2's, taking common 2 2's are 4 and in root 2, but we get AB is equal to 4 under root of 2 units. Answer. Question first, third part. Given A comma B and minus A comma minus B, let A is equal to a comma b and b is equal to minus a comma minus b, that is equal to x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. By distance formula, AB is equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square AB is equal to x2 is minus a, x1 is a, but formula minus a square, y2 equal to minus b and y1 is b, y2 minus y1 square, AB is equal to a minus a, that is 2a square, minus b that is minus 2b raised to power 2. This implies 2a square is equal to 2 2s are 4a square plus minus 2b square is 4b square. AB is equal to 4 is common, both a square plus b square. This implies AB can be right 4 2 into 2 a square plus b square, and pair of 2 is 1 but 2 is taking common, and AB is equal to 2 into under root of a square plus b square. Units answer. Given a comma b minus a comma b, a is ab, a comma b, and b is minus a comma minus b, that is equal to x1 comma y1 x2 comma y2. Using by distance formula, ab is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Put x2 minus x1 in this formula, minus a square plus minus b square, that is minus 2a square plus minus 2b square. 2a square is equal to 2 2s are 4a square and minus 2b square is also 4b square. 4 is taking common in a square plus b square, and prime factorization of 4 is 2 into 2, or in root 1 pair taking common, 2 is taking common, but we get 2 into root a square plus b square. Units answer. Thank you so much.